Over the past few weeks, a fresh wave of leaked images and insider information has dramatically shifted expectations surrounding DJI's next FPV release, strongly suggesting that what many assumed would simply be the DJI Avata, the 3rd of May, in fact launch as something far more ambitious, potentially branded as the Avata 360. A groundbreaking hybrid drone that merges immersive FPV flight with full 360-degree capture technology in a single compact aerial platform. And while earlier speculation hinted at incremental upgrades, these new leaks point toward a radical redesign that could redefine how pilots and content creators approach aerial cinematography, action filming, and immersive video production, because rather than choosing between an FPV drone and a 360-camera drone, this upcoming model appears engineered to deliver both experiences through a dual-vision camera system that can physically rotate and change operating modes mid-flight, allowing users to seamlessly transition between stabilized forward-facing FPV footage and fully spherical 360-degree recording. And the earliest prototype sightings from field testing earlier this year already hinted at an unusually slim, elongated airframe compared to the Avata 2, with a noticeably flattened top section sitting nearly level with the propellers, a design choice that strongly supports the idea of drone invisibility during 360 capture by keeping the body out of frame, while compensating for reduced height with an extended rear section that improves balance, airflow, and internal component placement. And these proportions, combined with a new light gray color scheme similar to DJI's latest compact drones, further reinforce the theory that the Avata 360 shares internal DNA with newer platforms, borrowing modern flight controllers, obstacle sensing architecture, and transmission hardware, yet scaling them up for FPV performance. But the most striking visual change seen across multiple leaks is the oversized and highly exposed camera module, which appears substantially larger than previous Avata models, likely redesigned to house a dual-lens spherical camera system. And interestingly, the earliest images did not clearly show a top-mounted lens, suggesting that DJI was initially concealing the full 360 functionality during testing. But everything changed following the public reveal of a competing prototype 360 drone concept in the wider market, which seemingly forced DJI to accelerate its own reveal cycle, resulting in newer leaked photos that clearly show a pronounced dome-like bump on the top of the Avata prototype that closely resembles a fisheye lens housing. And when viewed from above, this feature becomes even more convincing, especially after image enhancement reveals the curvature and reflectivity consistent with a spherical lens element, leading to the increasingly credible theory that the Avata 360 operates as a hybrid drone with two distinct camera orientations, switching between FPV mode and 360 mode by rotating the gimbal approximately 90 degrees, meaning that in traditional FPV flight, one lens faces forward while the secondary lens remains hidden or inactive, and when activated for panoramic capture, the gimbal repositions so that one lens faces upward and the other downward, each capturing a 180-degree field of view that is later stitched together using advanced AI-based image processing to create a seamless 8K 360-degree video, effectively erasing the drone from the frame and giving creators total freedom to reframe shots during post-production. And this dual-purpose design not only expands creative possibilities for filmmakers, travel vloggers, and action sports creators, but also introduces new safety and navigation capabilities, as additional leaks reveal multiple front-facing sensor elements that appear to include optical cameras, LiDAR units, and possibly infrared detection, raising eyebrows among FPV purists, but making sense when considering stabilized flight modes designed for motion controller operation, cinematic cruising, and intelligent tracking, because in these assisted modes, the Avata 360 would likely rely on a full sensor suite similar to DJI's latest consumer drones, enabling obstacle avoidance, subject tracking, automatic braking, and safer low-altitude flying, while still retaining a true manual FPV mode that disables all assistance systems when paired with a dedicated FPV controller, giving experienced pilots unrestricted control for high-speed dives, power loops, and freestyle maneuvers. And in this sense, the Avata 360 would effectively function as two drones in one, a user-friendly cinematic platform for beginners and an aggressive FPV machine for advanced users, further supported by leaks showing compatibility with multiple control methods including motion controllers, traditional RC transmitters, FPV controllers, goggles-based flight systems, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice commands, and even potential gesture controls, all of which point toward DJI's broader strategy of unifying its ecosystem across drones, cameras, and immersive accessories, and this versatility extends to intelligent features as well, with rumors suggesting advanced active track modes capable of following fast-moving subjects while dynamically avoiding obstacles using both dedicated sensors and data derived from the 360 camera lenses themselves, effectively creating a pseudo-omnidirectional awareness bubble around the aircraft, which would be especially valuable when flying in complex environments like forests, urban spaces, or mountainous terrain, and when it comes to landing and ground proximity. The rotating gimbal design could play a crucial protective role by automatically shifting the camera into FPV orientation during descent to prevent damage to the lower lens, eliminating the need for bulky retractable landing gear and keeping the drone lightweight and aerodynamic. While internally, the camera system is rumored to share specifications with DJI's latest standalone 360 cameras, potentially featuring a large 1-inch sensor capable of capturing ultra-high-resolution panoramic photos exceeding 100 megapixels and recording smooth 8K video at high frame rates in full spherical mode, while switching to high-quality 5K or oversampled 4K video in FPV mode with excellent dynamic range, low light performance, and advanced stabilization, and beyond imaging, connectivity and transmission are expected to see major upgrades as well, with leaks pointing toward DJI's next-generation O4 Plus transmission system offering significantly extended range, improved signal penetration, higher bitrate live feeds, and ultra-low latency, all of which are critical for confident FPV flying at speed. And although battery life gains appear modest based on regulatory labels and early estimates, with flight times likely increasing slightly compared to previous models due to the added hardware and weight, the overall balance of endurance, power, and capability still positions the Avata 360 as a highly competitive platform, especially if it launches with refined software, reliable safety systems, and seamless integration across DJI's ecosystem. And taken as a whole, these leaks paint a picture of a drone that is not merely an incremental upgrade but a bold fusion of FPV, adrenaline, and immersive 360 storytelling, one that could appeal equally to beginners seeking safe, cinematic flight and professionals demanding maximum creative control. And if these rumors prove accurate, the DJI Avata 360 may very well stand as one of the most innovative aerial platforms ever released, setting a new standard for hybrid drones and reshaping expectations for what FPV technology can deliver in the years ahead.